Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to do some simple meal prep and I'm going to show you how to use these new Luvele Fresh Vacuum Canisters. There's so many great things about these new canisters. Number one, there's no plastics here, so much safer, much better for the environment. We've got a glass base and a lid made of silicone and stainless steel. These are designed to keep your food much fresher for much longer than your regular style of containers. I have the full set of canisters here today, 4 different sizes that are fully stackable, which makes preparing balanced meals super easy. So today's salad is going to be an Asian style mixed salad bowl with a really nice satay dressing. So I'll tell you exactly what I'm going to be putting into each size container. For the first one, which is our biggest container, of course, we're going to have all of our shredded veg. You can mix and match your salad any way you like, but today I'm going to be using some cabbage, some capsicum, some carrots, some spring onion, and just some fresh mint and coriander leaves. In the next size down, I've got some cooked and cooled brown rice, and that's obviously just there to give us a little bit more energy, some good carbs, get us through the day. In the next size down, I've just got some poached chicken, just 2 chicken breasts in some coconut milk and stock, along with a few aromats. That's going to be our protein. Finally, in our smallest container, we're going to be putting our satay dressing, and I'm going to blitz that up in the Vibe blender. The salad's all done now, so that means we're nearly finished. The last thing we need to do is that dressing. All of the ingredients go straight into the Vibe blender at once. We blitz it really quickly, get it into our container, and then I'm going to show you how to use the hand pump to vacuum seal these containers. Into the blender jug, we've got 3/4 of a cup of coconut milk, 1/3 of a cup of smooth unsweetened peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, a teaspoon of minced ginger, 1 clove of garlic, minced, half a long red chili sliced, 1 teaspoon of coconut sugar, and a generous squeeze of lime. Blend that up on smoothie mode. It should only take around 20 seconds to be fully combined. All of the prep's done now. We're going to get these lids on and I'm going to show you how to use the vacuum hand pump to vacuum seal these containers to make sure that our ingredients stay as fresh as possible for as long as possible. So we've got just a couple of simple steps to make sure we get the best seal on our container. The first is to make sure that this valve is in the open position. And if you look underneath the lid, it looks like this. You just give that a press and it releases at the top of the lid. Now you can put the lid on top of the container, press it down, and you'll hear the air release. Now you can close the valve just by pressing down on it. Now the last step is to use the hand pump. All you need to do is place it right over that valve, hold it in place and press the button. And when it's finished, the vacuum seal is complete. Seal the other containers, stack them up nicely and get them into the fridge, ready for you to eat whenever you're ready. After each serving, you can use the hand pump again to reseal and lock in freshness. So we hope you enjoyed this video today. That's just one way to use the new Luvele Fresh Vacuum Canisters so that you can cook once and eat several times, maintaining the freshness and integrity of your ingredients. We'd love to know what you think about the new canisters. If you have your hands on some already, show us what you're doing with your meal prep at home. If you enjoyed this video today, don't forget to hit the like button and hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele Life content. We look forward to seeing you again next week.